Good morning, ladies and gentlemen of the jury. I hope you had a safe trip over. Okay. Now, did you heed all my previous admonitions while we were absent from each other, not to read, watch, nor listen to any news accounts of this case of Florida versus Casey Marie Anthony of evidence and the law? Before proceeding further, it would be helpful if you understand how a trial is conducted. Following opening statements, witnesses will be called to testify under oath. Documents and other exhibits also may be produced as evidence. After the evidence has been presented, the attorneys will have an opportunity to make their final arguments. Until that time, you should not discuss the case among yourselves. If he or she persists, leave that individual at once and immediately report the matter to the court deputy, who will advise me. This includes reading newspapers, watching television, or using a computer. This applies whether you are in the courthouse, at home, or anywhere else. From the exercise of the defendant's right to remain silent, a jury is not permitted to draw any inference of guilt, and the fact that a defendant did not take the witness stand must not influence your verdict in any manner whatsoever. The attorneys are trained in the rules of evidence and trial procedure, and it is their duty to make all objections they feel are proper. You must not speculate on what might have occurred had the objection not been sustained. Whether or not you take notes, you should rely on your memory of the evidence, and you should not be unduly influenced by the notes of other jurors. Notes are not entitled to any greater weight than each juror's memory of the evidence.